Let's solve this problem. 4x plus 4 to the power x is equal to 128. So substitute 4x is 4 to the power x is equal to a. So what will happen is a plus a is equal to 128. A plus a is equal to 2a is equal to 128. So a is equal to 128 divided by 2, which is equal to 64. Now let's substitute the value of a. So a is 4 to the power x is equal to 64. So what you can write is 4 to the power x is equal to 4 to the power 3. Now base are common, both the places base is 4, so power will be equal. So x is equal to 3. So this is the value of the x, and this is the solution of the problem. Thank you very much.